Hey there, I'm Brett Hutchins.
And I'm Bruce McGee.
Together, we've worked at 14 different car dealerships across the Coffs Coast and been fired from every single one.
Why, you ask? For giving away great cars at dirt cheap prices and getting our bosses pissed off with us.
But now, we've opened our own shop and we've devoted our entire lives to selling you the best cars for dirt cheap. This is Steels on Wheels. Yeah, so business, it went pretty dry last year after we sold the Camry. As you all know, I hate emotional talk, and Bruce, he has been a bloody handful this past year.
So, today's a pretty sad day for me. It's been a year since Belinda left me. She said I didn't make enough money off car sales. So, I couldn't finance the Bali trip. She ran off with our old cameraman, took the kids, and has been living in Bali ever since. She took the kids! She took the goddamn kids! Ah! What are we doing here, Brett? I mean, really. Look at us. We haven't had a good car to sell in over 12 months, and you know it.
Look, in business, there are peaks and there are troughs.
No. I don't want to hear it, Brett, yeah? I am sick of eating 2-minute noodles. I am sick of sleeping in the mattress on the corner. I want my life back. I want my wife back. I need a car to sell.
Look, I didn't want to tell you this, alright? But I've got a surprise for you. You know, I thought I'd do something nice for Bruce, considering it's been 1 year since, you know.
What could possibly cheer me up today?
Let me just give him a call and I'll see if she's on her way, okay?
What's going on?
Hello? Yeah, this is Brett Hutchins. I was just wondering when... Absolutely, awesome. Thank you so much. Should be here any moment.
Who will be here?
I hired you a stripper for the day.
What? But what about Belinda?
For God's sake, forget about her, man, for one day! I think I heard her pull up. Get up.
Hi, boys.
Oh, crap!
Oh my God!
Holy... She's dead.
Oh no! What are we gonna do?
Wait. I've got an idea.
No. Surely not.
Come on. Don't you want your life back? Don't you want Belinda back? Back it up, Bruce.
Oh. God.
What's going on here? Right here, keep going, keep it coming. Keep it coming. Good. Yep.
2012, the London Olympic Games.
Gangnam Style.
The retirement of the original Wiggles.
And the 2012 Holden VE Commodore Omega station wagon.
Ladies and gentlemen, today you have the opportunity to purchase an Australian motoring classic.
The legend of the Commodore speaks for itself. Let's have a look at some incredible features that this car has to offer. Check out this luxury interior.
And a space to hold your sunnies. Oh, look what I found. Oh, nice. Have a look at this steering wheel. You got all your essentials. Power steering, your horn, windscreen wipers for when it's raining or when your windscreen gets dirty, and several other features alongside with it.
Check this out, Talk about steels on wheels. How about some wheels on wheels? Look at these beautiful wheel control system on the steering wheel itself. Isn't that amazing?
And for all you bad boys out there, you can turn the traction control off right here.
And shift up and down in manual shifting mode.
Oh yeah. It wouldn't be a Commodore if you couldn't drop it like a hoon.
Dual zone climate control with 20 levels of air conditioning.
Check out this seamless handbrake design. Ergonomically fits into the contour of the car's central system.
Power window controls right in the center console. Check that out.
But when you really want to feel that breeze through your hair.
A spacious glove box could fit everything you could ever want in there. Goodness me, that is spacious.
Alright, here you have your premium Holden audio system with a deluxe touchscreen.
We have radio, Bluetooth, iPod connectivity, and even USB, and a CD player. You do not see them these days.
Ladies and gentlemen, not only is this car a magnet for sex, but also a vessel for pleasure. This is a shag wagon if you've ever seen one. Look at all the space. Once those seats come down, you could do anything you want in here.
Wait, Bruce, I've got a brilliant idea. Check that out. Check that out. Look at that. Get a shot on that, please.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's
Why don't you get in,
amazing.
Bruce?
All right.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
wow. Comfort.
Oh, comfortable. Belinda, I miss you so much, Belinda. Come back to me, Belinda.
Come look at this. Conveniently placed 12 watt output right there for pumping up your air mattress. How good is that?
Check out that spare tyre. All shiny, lubed up, good to go. She is ready to play.
Check this out. Rear wiper for when it gets rainy. And
Radio antenna. Nice and stiff.
wildlife. Australian wildlife to go with the classic Australian vehicle. Look at that. Get a shot of that. That's actually on me.
Check out these blind spot mirrors so you can always keep an eye on that traffic behind you.
Series 2. Look at that. Wow.
Better than the Series 1. New and improved. The sequel.
The sequel, just like the sequel, Steels on Wheels 2.
Yeah, new and improved. Better.
Fuel door. Look at that. With your fuel cap inside. Check it. Shot of that. Up to 85% ethanol fuel suitable. I would be putting ethanol in this thing because ethanol is good for your car. Gotta get the button. It's the button.
Oh no, you can't get it either.
Where's the button?
Isn't that embarrassing?
Check out that V6 engine. Holy dooly. Windscreen wiper fluid. Wow. Get in there. Get in there. Wow.
Look. Next brake fluid change, due? Never. Because it doesn't. It never runs out. It never runs out. All right?
Never runs out,
Never
ladies
runs
and gentlemen.
out.
Never runs out. Check this out. More fluids back here. They keep your car going.
Keep it nice and moist, nice and wet.
Wires. They make sure the electrical, the car stays electrical.
What else we got?
There's not much else to look at, is there? Look at this. Electric chair adjustment.
Oh yeah.
Let's do an indicator test. Chuck on the left indicator, Bruce. Look at that. And the right one. Wow. And chuck the high beams on while you're at it. Look at those things. You will be able to see at night with these bad boys.
Now I'm going to show you this car's advanced safety reversing features. Brett is behind the car right now, as you can see. I'm going to chuck this bad boy into reverse, and you will hear a beep as I get closer to Brett telling me to stop reversing. All right, let's do this. See? Can you hear that? That's because Brett's right there.
And that's all that the Holden Commodore has to offer. Click the Facebook Marketplace link below to inquire.